Hi everyone, so I have another little craft haul video for you. This is my latest DRK Maker Team parcel that's come through, and so I just want to show you what I've got in it. Some of it are products I've already had before, but I just use them all the time, so I had to get a bit of a restock, and I'll show you a couple of examples as well. So first of all, I ordered some heavy duty acetate. I am running a bit low on acetate anyway, and I'm finding acetate is quite difficult to get. So this is heavy duty. It's 0.22 millimeters thick. It's A4, but this is great for, you know, when you've got things that stand up that you need. And I've actually got an example to show you for this one as well. You need them to really stand up properly. They're not, you don't want it to be too floppy. So this is great for that. Also for like gift boxes, if you want like a cover. Sometimes you have like a whole lid for a gift box made of acetate. So this would be perfect for that. So that is one of them. Now this one I've ordered before and I absolutely love this pack. And I use it all the time, and literally I rinse it out, especially this apricot-y colour and the pale pink, and even these teals and greens. I mean, all of them, and the lilac, to be honest with the whole lot. I just really like them. So I'm going to quickly show you now. In fact, I'll take it out and then we'll have a look through. Okay, so this is the pack. So you've got 8 colours, one of each design, 250 GSM. I like the fact it's like a matte mirror. So you've got this beautiful purple, kind of bluey purple colour. This is beautiful. It's like a champagne gold, I think. I don't know, that's what I would call it anyway. It's like a gold, but it's a very, I don't know if you call it like a flat gold, but I love it. I think it's just very nice. This is my favourite, absolutely. If I could buy packs of this, I would. It's such a lovely colour. It's like a peachy corally pink, and it's just beautiful. And next to it, those two colours go really well together as well. Kind of a sagey, greeny, tealy kind of colour. Love that. Then we've got this hot pink. I love a hot pink. Just this pack is just the best combination. There's literally nothing in here I don't like. I like all of them. I love this dusky rose kind of colour. Absolutely stunning. I'm trying to move it around so you can sort of see all the different, you know, lights of it. Beautiful, beautiful teal. Really nice, real aquary, bluey kind of teal. And then you've got this silver, and again just a flat silver, but flat silvers can be very useful. Imagine this embossed. Oh, so nice. So that is the mermaid and unicorn card pack. They also do a tropical one, and again that one I absolutely love too. I haven't got a favourite. I love both of them. So next up is this A4 premium glitter pad. Now some of you will remember previously I ordered this one, which I have used a lot. I mean, I have used this an awful lot. I've got all kinds of bits of trimmings and all sorts. So this was another one. This is another one they do. And I just love it. I mean, you can see I've really gone to town with this one. Really cut loads out. It's just, and that one as well, beautiful. Really beautiful pack. So I thought I'd try a different one. So I've gone for the pastels pack. And these are all different colours to the ones I've just shown you. So again, you get 300 GSM cards, so it's a nice good thick card, 24 sheets, 4 colours, 6 of each colour, and it's obviously A4. So you've got beautiful, beautiful pink, it's like a dusky pink. Look at that purple. Oh my goodness, that is stunning, absolutely stunning. And that, look at the this is the first time I've looked at this pack, so you'll get my genuine reaction. Look at that teal. Oh my, summer's coming. I can see that on summary cards. That is beautiful. That's giving me mermaids, that is. And then beautiful, look at that, real springy, fresh, almost olivey kind of green. I love that. That's stunning. So yeah, so there you go. So I'm glad I ordered that, because that is stunning. I knew I wasn't going to be disappointed, because the other pack was just beautiful. And also all of this is non-shed glitter, so you don't end up with any of it on your fingers. But it's still glittery. Sometimes you can get non-shed glitters and they're not very glittery. This is glittery, but you don't get it on your finger. So just a win. Win-win all the way around. Then I also got these. I deliberately ordered some more of this because I use this stuff so much. I love this. It's so good. It die cuts like a dream. Like literally you can run it through, run it back, and it's done. It's cut. So I'm going to show you quickly a couple of cards that I've made using this white glitter. I have actually used the black as well before. I used that on for sentiments and stuff. I was going to quickly show you. So I've got this one here. So the season's greetings, see how intricate that die cut is? That is all cut out of the white, and it is cut so nicely. And all of this fine edging all the way around here, that's all cut out of it, and around there. So if you think how fine that is, and it's just cut out fantastically. So I'm really impressed with that. And then this also, this card as well. So I did this on a live stream. And again, all of these letters, look how fine and detailed they are. So if I've got a detailed die cut that I want to cut out and I want to be able to stick it straight down without adding tape on the back of it, I go to this because it's just amazing. And again, on the back, on the balloons, you've got the letters happy, Happy, and again, that is cut out of it. It's just so easy to use, like just to cut it out and you just stick it straight down. Look how delicate that is. Like if I tried to cut that out of a piece of glitter card with self-adhesive on the back of it, or if I tried to cut it just out of glitter card and then try and stick it down with glue, you got no chance. I mean, like really. I mean, maybe out of a mirror you might be able to do it, but not out of glitter card. But with this, you get that lovely glitter, and it's just so easy because it's not that thick. Oh, it's just beautiful. So I had to order some more of that because it's just, I get through it so much. Something else that I had to order because I get through it so much is these A5 adhesive sheets. These are the business. So whenever I've got anything that I need to stick down, and you know it's quite intricate maybe, or I don't know, you know, it's quite, yeah, it's quite intricate, I just want to be able to stick it straight away, then I will use these on the back of the card in order to try and make sure that it stays stuck down. So these are great as well for vellum. So I've got a card here, and that, you can see the shadow behind the happy birthday. So obviously the happy birthday, 3 guesses as to what that is. That is cut out of that white glitter adhesive sheet I've just shown you. And the shadow behind it, the vellum, the apricot vellum, that is cut. I've cut that out. Well, I've put that on the back of a piece of apricot vellum, and then I've just cut it out. And so that is stuck straight down, but you've got no gluey marks. It's stuck like a dream. So yeah, so I use these all the time. Use them for all sorts. Anything, well, I used to use double-sided tape on the back of something. I now use these. Here's another example. So this Get Well Soon die. Again, it's lovely, but to get it to stick, you've got to glue all of that after you've cut it. It's a bit of a pain. So on the back of that, I just literally cut a strip of silver mirror card, and then on the back of it, I just put a piece of this. Just put a little strip, cut it to size, ran it through the machine. It die cuts. That's the other thing, it die cuts perfectly, because I have tried other adhesive sheets before in the past and they just don't die cut very well, but this does. So I had to get some more, and it was a bargain. It really, I can't say exactly how much it was, but I remember it being very, very, very cheap. So definitely worth a buy. So yeah, so that was my other thing that I got in the package. So there you go. So that's my DRK Maker Team parcel. So I hope you enjoyed today. I hope it's given you some ideas, things to get. They've got lots of really massively reduced items over on their website. So please go and check them out. The details will be on the screen and also in the description below. I'll list all these products and links to these products in the description below as well. But yeah, go and check them out. Get some of them while you still can, because I have a feeling some of them will be out of stock at some point, just because the prices are so low on them. Like the adhesive sheets and the premium glitter adhesive card. I'm hoping they're going to keep doing them, but I don't know for sure. But they are fabulous. I mean, proper. I'm really pleased with my order. Basically, I'm just really pleased with it. I can't wait to use this card here. I already used these, so these are kind of restocks. The acetate, I have got some heavy duty acetate, and I do use it, Dovecraft. So yeah, so this is the new product that I haven't actually tried yet, but I know I've tried the pink posy, so I know it's going to work. But yeah, so there you go. So I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.